Hi everyone, and welcome back again to another module on Wema.Digital. From the previous module, we've established market intelligence as the invisible advantage in procurement. Now, let's explore what happened when market intelligence meets reality and how to make knowledge visible. Picture these scenarios. The inventory tracker who sends pricing shifts before the data confirms them. The instinct represents years of pattern recognitions, no report captures. The planner preparing rate forecast, transforming gut feeling into formal analysis. They are integrating intuitions and documentations to improve the procurement strategy. The coordinator on daily supplier calls, gathering real-time market intelligence. They are capturing insights that protect the organizations. Knowledge that many times remains invisible. These observations are often overlooked, yet their contributions are non-negotiable. And the real risk is not that people work around system, but that market intelligence remains invisible and vulnerable to loss. That coordinator, the day they change their role, their market intelligence or supplier network intelligence will disappear. So, how to capture formal data and informal wisdom? Market intelligence strengthens when workflows bridge what people know and what they can prove, not by forcing intuition into a rigid report, but by making informal wisdom visible and sustainable. The digital middle manager does not choose between data-driven decisions and experienced judgment. They create a transparency where both coexist. So, the controller inventory instincts pricing becomes documented trends, and the coordinator supplier insight trigger systematic captures. So, that is not a digital transformation framework, but a digital enhancement of what already works. Here we are at the end of this module. Thank you very much for being around and see you soon. Bye bye.